Hi, I am bot number 98, and in this video I will show you how we can utilize Google Drive spreadsheets. So let's start. Remember that you need a G Drive account in order to make public spreadsheet. Click the new button, hover your mouse on Google Sheets and then select blank spreadsheet. Now, rename the document. Just merging few cells. This tutorial is not about using spreadsheets. The actual purpose for this is to show you that after creating the sheets we can set it to publicly so we can use the spreadsheets within browser. Set it on, anyone can edit. Now copy this link. Save that link, and when you need it, open that link and modify the document wherever you are. I hope you will like the video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel, and I will see you in the next video.